Watch this if you like watching people watching. I mean, watch this video if you like watching people playing games or something. Alright, let me play a little bit. No thanks. Switched off. Go. Oh, yummy. Yum. I want to eat something. Snake sound box. Snake and a booyah is cuckoo. Say hi, bye. This is me playing the best game ever. Oh crap! It's not the best game ever. Oh crap! Oh, that one nearly. You're only 7 years old and you're saying crap. Yes, I. Oh my! That's bad, boy. Oh crap! Yum 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 yum. We're in a restaurant right now and he just yelled, "Oh crap." He is so crazy. Everybody heard him. Like it's like, "Oh crap," but yelled. This is an ad, guys. Don't watch this. It's an ad. Just watch Matteo and win. Dad, say hi to Alright. This all the way to this. Oh my god. Oh yes, hello. Look at me, I'm growing my horns, I'm growing them. Haha. I'm an evil snake. It's a neighborhood. Who do you got eating? This blue guy. Just to tell you what this video is about. It's about just watching this dude playing Snake Clash. Oh crap! That is the boss fight that I'm trying to fight. Who are you trying to eat? I'm trying to eat you. I remember to eat your face. I remember. Eat your face. I remember to eat your face. Oh. Bye guys, it's that time, so bye bye.